Hello everybody and welcome to another video, and today I will be showing you how to make a site in Django. Obviously it's going to be the continuation of the series of Django, and today we're going to put the site to run. Okay, so we're going to see what the basic Django site gives us. Okay, even though we have basically no code, Django gives us a basic site already. So I'm gonna open Finder and see what we were before. So we continue. So I was in work, Django project, and then here we were. Over here, I'm gonna take a terminal. And let's start already. So I'm gonna go into the documents with current directory documents, and then current directory work, and then current directory Django project. And then we wanna activate the virtual environment. So branch activate. Oops. I have to put an E. Copy paste. There we go. And now what we want to do is type in Django admin start project. So you want to start the project. You have to do this for every site. So start project and then you name it. So I'm going to name it Django test. So here it is. Django test. It just created it for you, and there's another Django test folder inside with 4 files. Okay. First file is the init.py, which basically tells that it's a Python file. So someone's calling me. I'm gonna put it at silent. There we go. All right, and then there's the settings.py file, which will change later, which you can add your own stuff to it. But we're gonna see that in next video. Today's video, we're just going to see what the Django basic Django site is. So if we go out of here, there's this manage.py file, which lets you do a bunch of things, okay, with it. So a bunch of things, and we're going to put that to work right now. So if you type in Python manage.py, run server. Can't open manage.py. Oh, we're not in the directory. Yep. Have to go into the directory. Remember that. Django test. Now, are we in the directory? Yep, we are. So Python manage.py on server. There we go. So here you have, it tells you have 17 unapplied migrations, but that's for later. And then it gives you the link of the development server. So just copy that. And obviously it's not online, okay? So don't try to take the link on another computer. It's not going to find it. It's localhost. So if you want to put it online, you have to pay money to a company. Whoops. Take this out. And now if I'm just gonna paste it in there, and there we go. Just make it bigger. So, and this is how it looks like. Basic Django site. That's what it gives you. Whoops. Oh. Alright, I have to go back. What did I just do? Okay, so now it gives you the Django site. So that's how it looks like, the Django site. So you can, there's buttons and stuff. Shows you how to do things. So this is how it looks like. It's pretty cool. But that's only with Django if you do it. So we did it with Django, so that's how it looks like. So that's going to be pretty much it for this video. But I want to open the folder we just did in Sublime. This documents. Django project. There we go. Now we can see everything. So if we go to settings, we can see everything here. So I want to change something. So where is it? Oh, here it is. Debug, and let's put it to false. Okay, false, and let's save that, and let's refresh this. There we go. This is because we put it to false. So make sure you put it to true. But it's true all the time. But if you changed it, so put it to true. Save. And let's refresh this page. And what happened here? Did I change it? Command error. You must be settings allowed host if debug is false. Oh, okay. I have to run it again. Python manage.py run server. didn't add an R. I think I'm not done. No. Yeah. There we go. Now run that again. And it's back. So just make sure it's debug equal true. Also, I wanna if you click on the URL, this is what's gonna pop up, okay? So I'm just gonna put this to localhost, and it's gonna be the same thing. There we go. So basically what it's saying is that it's localhost, okay? If you try to access it from somewhere else, it's gonna give you an error. It's not gonna find it, okay? Because it's only for you, unless you want to pay a company to put it online. So that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. All right. Yeah. Subscribe, like. We have to terminate this. So Control C. Okay. Subscribe, like, turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys next time.